Assalamualaikum. My name is Shakir Mahmood. By profession, I am an accountant and tax consultant. Being an accountant, I am engaged with the working in Excel since 2005. So I have almost 17 to 18 years of experience of working in Excel. However, still I am learning. I'm learning day by day because Excel is very comprehensive platform where you can do so many things very quickly, and nobody can say that he is an expert or he has learned everything in Excel. What is Excel providing? So I am learning and improving day by day. Today we are going to discuss a formula that is very useful for analytical reviews. This formula will help you to achieve your results very quickly. For example, here I have sample data where I have taken some products and their prices. And what I want to do is to extract the maximum or minimum sale based on the product name. The simple formula which we can use to extract the maximum or minimum value from a set of data is the max and minimum formula. We can apply max by writing is equal plus is equal to and start max plus the tag, and now give the range of the data from where you want to extract the maximum value and press enter. This will give you the highest value that is available in this data. We can verify this with the help of this filter, and with this filter by default shows the values sorted from lowest to highest value. So the data here is showing the highest value is 5136, and our formula has given the same result. That means max formula will give you the highest value from a set of data. Likewise, if you want to know the lowest value from the data, then you can use the minimum formula, max opposite of the max, and by starting the formula it is equal and write minimum and start parentheses. Now is the time for getting the criteria and the data range from where you want to know the minimum value. Now give the whole range of the data and press enter. Now this formula is getting you the lowest value. We can verify this from here. If we click on the filter, and filter, as I said earlier, shows by default shows the values sorted from smallest to highest value. So lowest value here shown is the 60. So minimum formula has given the same result. The issue here with the minimum or max, simple minimum and maximum formula is you can know the values lowest value or the highest value from a set of data, but here we want to know the value, highest value and lowest value based on the name of this product. To know this, to solve this issue, to handle this issue, we are going to use the Maxifs and minimum formula. Maxifs and min-ifs formula is the right formula that can give you the required result. Now we'll give the heading highest value and the lowest value. Lowest value or lowest sale, you can say. Start the formula with is equal and write max ifs plus the tab. The first in the formula is the max range. Max range means the values that from where you want to know the highest value. So give the range of the values, press comma, and the next highlighted in this guiding formula is the criteria range. Criteria range is the range of values from where your criteria will be matched. So we will give the product names as a range of criteria range. Now press the comma, and the last one is the criteria, and our criteria is the product name, that is apple juice. We will select this cell by clicking on it and now press enter. So 1875 is the highest sale of apple juice in the whole data, in this whole data. So the second phase is we want to copy this formula, copy down to other product names to find out their highest value, highest sale. Before copying and pasting this formula to below columns, we should fix the ranges of the values and the criteria. For this, you should place your cursor before the column reference. Column reference is the F. So place your cursor before F and press F4. This will apply $sign before and after F. And as a result, F column will be fixed and the row 4 will also be fixed. And this, likewise, we will do the same with the second range, and the second criteria range will be fixed by pressing F4, by pressing the cursor before column reference and pressing the F4. The last one is the criteria. Criteria is written here in B column. We will not fix this criteria because we want our formula to move to next product name if we copy this formula down. So we will leave the last reference, the last criteria option, and now copy this formula and paste this down. So these are the results of our formula. Mango juice highest sale was 1950 and banana was 2450, and the same was on. Now the second part is the minimum value. We will start the formula by pressing is equal min ifs is the formula. Press tab. The first one is minimum range. Minimum range means the values from where we want to know the minimum value. You will give the range of formula, range of values, and the second, and then press comma, and the second criteria is criteria range. Now, criteria range is the cell, is the column from where criteria will be matched. Our given criteria will be matched. Our criteria is product name, so product name range will be given for criteria range. And now press the comma and come into our original sheet for where we're applying the formula. And the last one, the criteria will be given as product name. Click on the product name cell. We will fix the ranges in this formula as well by placing the cursor before column reference in the both range of criteria and the range of the values, and we will leave the last one criteria reference, which is sheet 1b2. It's the same without fixing it because we want this to be dynamic when we copy this formula to belong to other values. So the result is here. Mango juice lowest sale was 420, and mixed fruit juice sale was lowest sale was 60. So these are the two formulas that we can use to find out the lowest value, lowest sale or lowest value from a set of data based on a particular criteria. Minimum min-ifs and Maxifs formula can be used in where you have to give more than one criteria, and this formula will also give you the required results. For example, we have sale date as well. In this data, I don't have more than one sales of the same product in a single day, so this formula will not work here properly. But if you have such a data that you have recurring sale of the same product, or this data, some data like this, uh, in a single day, you can use more than one conditions in this formula. I hope I think I have cleared everything. However, if you have any query, or if you have some confusion in this formula, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to you. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see the videos like this on Excel learning, you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the alert of my latest videos easily. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.